My name is Sophia. I am 29 years old and married. My husband's name is Ethan and he is 31. We have been together for 6 years. Ethan is a gentle person. He truly cares about me. He supports me when I am unwell, cooks meals for me, and always speaks kindly. He never shouts, never loses his temper, and never raises his hand. He listens to me and always treats me with respect.
However, Ethan doesn't earn a high salary. He works very hard in construction, often for long hours. He brings home about $2,700 each month, but it's not enough for all our needs. I also have a job, and I earn $5,200 a month, which is more than Ethan makes. This makes him feel uncomfortable.
I encourage him, "Why not start your own business?" He replies, "I don't know how." I love Ethan, but sometimes I get frustrated. I wished for a better life, for more comfort. We don't own a big house or a fancy car. We don't have a business. We live in a small apartment and don't have expensive things. Sometimes I tell him, "You're not like other husbands.
Other men buy gifts for their wives, have big houses, and run businesses. You're not a good husband." Ethan just listens quietly, but I can see the sadness in his eyes. Ethan earns $2,700 a month. He gives $1,300 to his parents and gives me $1,400. Still, it doesn't feel like enough. I feel upset and disappointed.
One evening, Ethan came home late. I asked, "Where have you been?" He answered, "I was searching for another job." I felt hopeful. "Did you find one?" I asked. He said, "Not yet, but I'll keep looking." The next morning, Ethan woke up before dawn and left early. He returned home after dark, looking exhausted. He told me, "I found a second job. I'll be working at a restaurant at night and will earn an extra $2,000. I was happy and said, "That's great." Now Ethan works 2 jobs. He wakes up early and comes home late. He has no time to rest, no time to talk, and no time to smile. One night, Ethan came home looking very weak. His hands were trembling, and he collapsed. I cried out, "Ethan, what's wrong?" He replied, "I'm just very tired." I was frightened and took him to the hospital. The doctor said he was completely exhausted and needed to rest. I felt so guilty. I cried and held Ethan's hand, saying, "I'm sorry." Ethan smiled and said, "Don't cry, my love." That's when I understood something important. Ethan doesn't need to be rich. He doesn't need to buy me gold or drive a luxury car. He is a wonderful husband because he loves me and takes care of me. That is enough. I held his hand and said, "I love you." He smiled and replied, "I love you too." Money matters, but love matters more. I will never compare Ethan to other men again. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe.